Team tends to go as he goes, and he went south again last night.
He came out strong last night. I thought it was going to be one of those guys to be in this position. So he's going to play. Now, how effective he'll be, but you need to worry about this.
Editor Chris here. So the audio got completely messed up in that clip because I was using the Rode Video Micro. Just give me a second here. And so basically we had the, I didn't have the dead cat on, so I just had this like little kind of foam piece, which it does a little bit of dampening, but when you're riding the one wheel, it's just not gonna be sufficient. So it was definitely clipping and causing it to cut in and out. So we won't be doing that again. Anyway, back to the video. Cream pony. Looks like there's actually somebody in there right now. Anyways, it's donuts and fried chicken, so how can you go wrong with that? Handmade donuts, cream pony, Southern fried chicken. Not Nashville fried chicken, because we already know that the kings of Nashville fried chicken are Down Low Chicken Shack, but cream ponies. I've already had one weird experience there, but we'll let that pass until it actually opens. Super excited for Southern fried chicken sandwiches. Before I forget, this is a jingle that I made up for them, and it goes like this. The cream pony. You like it?
Hey, big man.
My man.
What's going on?
How you doing?
Dude, I'm good, good. Hey, yeah, question for you. Are you doing much this afternoon?
Depends. What time are you thinking? I could probably do this now.
Dude, you are a freaking legend.
You good, fam. Yeah, 15?
Yeah, sweet.
Alright.
Alright, awesome. See you soon, bro.
Peace.
Bye.
Dun 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 dun. I legit just hit my head on this crossbar right here. I'm not gonna lie, I always kind of wanted to wear a full face helmet on my one wheel. I just thought it would look pretty sick. Apparently I just went through a closed site. So to you, sir, I say thank you very much, you asshole. I actually don't remember where it is going this way when I'm not on the road. I think it's over there. Latte. Dude, she's running. Dude. All fixed up? All fixed up. You stoked? Dude, I'm amped. Yes. I was worried there for a minute, I'm not gonna lie, that this bike was a total dud. When we dropped this thing off and it was like having all those, like it was leaking at the front, I was like, Henry did not do his homework.
Oh, that would have been an ABOS.
Got the GoPro rigged up right here. We'll hope that this holds. We'll find out pretty soon, I guess. Let's just jump to riding. Oh my gosh.
That's it.
She was so dumb. She looked like 3 times. I literally looked at her.
Even 3:30 go, man.
That's what I mean. She looked like 3 times and then steps in. I was like, what are you doing?
Only 4 answers, then I have been everything you want.
What's wrong with you? He hasn't gotten his license yet, actually, so that's why I'm riding the bike. But let's give us one example of a question that you got wrong, Henry.
I'm not giving you an example.
All right, hen dog, big dog.
Oh, yeah, see, me, man.
See you later, man. Boom. Boom shakalaka.
See ya.
Peace. Guy just walked up to me, he's like, do you ride motorcycles? And I was like, yeah. He's like, here, take that.